What's going on, y'all? JT here with a test of my Muraco XTR. So you guys, told you about a week or so ago that I was going to go out and kind of build this custom. So I did get a clearer body and I did paint it. I used a Traxxas, their Pro Graphics paint, which is blue, and then I lined it with like a light gray underneath it. And then of course I put the stickers and stuff on there. So the system I'm running is the Team Corrali ESC with the 1650 kV motor, and I believe I have like a 15, maybe a 16 tooth pinion gear in there, and I'm running one of my Z Racing 9000 milliamp lipo. So it's the biggest lipo I have as far as 6S is concerned. I wanted to at least, yeah, get this out and do a test run. So no super speed Saturday today because I don't have all my stuff to do it, but I did at least want to bring this out and show this to you guys. And this is fast, as you guys see. Can almost get him up to full speed. He is leaning to the left and right just a little bit, but I think this paint color is a little bit good. I mean, I think for me, I was going for more of a blue, but it looks kind of purple in a way. But I think this is as fast as I probably want. Well, I ain't gonna say that. I ain't even gonna say that because I can get this up fast. I'll say as fast as I want it to go, but I plan on trying a 2200 in here soon. And I wish I had brought my GPS with this, but you guys see when I'm accelerating how it's kind of leaning up to the left and right. So definitely getting up good with this motor in here. I did add a wheelie bar, as you guys saw, and all that to it. So this is running good though. I do have a stock Team Corrali servo in here. So it's a little bit set up different than my Kronos XTR, but I like it. So definitely we want to make this a speed truggy. I'll probably have to look at changing the tires at some point. These are the tires that actually go on the Muraco and the Shogun. But I'm liking the way it's actually running though. It's cutting loose a little bit. See if we can get a full speed pass. Woo, woo, woo. Don't want to flip them out here. Not on this concrete. I said I owe you guys a super speed Saturday, but yeah, I ain't got everything together for that today. Been a busy Saturday. But I think this is gonna suffice for you guys for right now to get this out. I was gonna save this for another day, but plans changed. You guys know how that goes. All right, take this down one more time, then I'm gonna shut this off, and then I'm gonna enjoy this and woosah my mind. Give you guys one more pass. Yeah, I can't get them up to full speed out here with these tires on it. But it's fine. I'm gonna be more or less kind of running this off-road anyway, in some nice flat areas and stuff, but I at least wanted to show this to you guys. This is my Muraco XTR. So I'll be getting this out and getting the Kronos XTR out, version 2s and stuff like that. And we'll get them both running kind of in the same video, but I at least wanted to show this to you guys. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.